Mmm. So cheesy. It is so cheesy. Papatak pa. Oh wow. Ang dami nito. Alright, so what is up guys? Again, thanks so much for being with me in this video guys. Na-invite tayo ng Black Crust Pizza, Prado, Siongco, Lubao, Pampanga. So, if you remember, if you recall guys, na feature natin before yung pinaka main branch nito sa may Angeles City, Pampanga. And grabe, as far as I know, they have multiplied so many. And that's only one thing for sure, gustong-gusto nila ang pagkain ng Black Crust Pizza. So, yung owner natin dito has 4 branches nearby dito po sa Lubao, Pampanga. So, particularly, nandito tayo ngayon sa Prado, Siongco, Lubao, Pampanga. So, this is what they offered to us. And I'm pretty sure, no, nung na-feature tayo sa Angeles City, namumukha niyo yung mga ibang pagkain dito. So, let's dive in. Tikman na natin to. Kanina pa ako gutom na gutom. Tara! Alright, so again, naging famous po si Black Crust Pizza starting when they invented yung black crust o yung activated charcoal. Ayun. So this is activated charcoal. It has some healthy benefits na din. So do your diligence guys. Meron tong healthy benefit din if you're eating as an alternative dun sa usual pizza na nagugustuhan natin. So aside from masarap, healthy pa. So this one is the ham and cheese. Ayan guys. There we go. Tingnan na natin. So cheesy. It is so cheesy. So, as a matter of fact, pagdating ng mga pizza natin dito, they are a little bit still steamy, no? Medyo mainit pa sila. So, suggest so guys, as soon as they serve it, consume it. Now, for the chicken, meron tayong dalawang flavors that they, serve. Now, for the flavors, meron tayong garlic butter at saka Korean barbecue. Tingnan natin to. Wow, that is so saucy. You know? Pumapatak pa. I think this is the Korean barbecue. A little bit, spicy. Tsaka napaka-strong ng flavor niya. So many food to eat. I wanna taste this one. So obviously, this is their garlic butter. Yeah. Oh wow. Ito naman guys, it has a little bit of the mellow side, no? Medyo soft yung flavor niya. Pero I like it. It's a little bit native dun sa garlic naman. Ayan. So, sa mga mahilig manggisa, for sure you're gonna recognize yung aroma ng garlic. So, guys, for this price, no, 109 pesos for each plate. You actually have 4 pieces all in all, no? Yung parang dalawang full wings and then 4 pieces siya. For a price of 109 pesos, dagdag ka ng, how much is the?
15 pesos.
For the 15 pesos, right? So that's 124. 124 pesos. Better than Jollibee, I can assure you. Busog na busog ka na dito. Alright, so good news. Black Crust Pizza Co. Prado Siongco branch, may mga promo sila guys. For the chicken, this is unlimited for only 299 pesos.
No time.
Wow! No time limit pa tayo dito. So, punta kang umaga dito hanggang gabi, pwede sir?
Yes.
That's our challenge to you guys. That's our challenge. So, punta kang umaga dito, 299 pesos. Hanggat tayo mapingke ang buldita namin. Don't stand up. Now, for the pizza, burger, pasta, fries, even our drinks. Buy one, take one. Buy one, take one. Solid. That is a giveaway. Solid, solid, solid. So, Ma'am Caroline, alwala pala rin eh. Alright, so let me move on. Okay, so this one is the carbonara and then the other one naman is the spaghetti. Ayan. So, ako, I have a niece, no? Meron akong pamangkin. Pinaka-favorite niya talaga is mga white pasta, carbonara. Ikaw rin ba? Oh, wow. Again, so cheesy. Masyadong ginalingan yung mga dito, mga toppings natin. Sobrang cheesy. And, wow, napaka-creamy pa rin niya. So, creamy and cheesy at the same time. But for me, again, parang tinero na to sa sa mga panlasa ng mga Pinoy, no? So, medyo siya. Panlasang Pilipino. So, nga pala guys, as soon as you come here, dito po sa store natin, you can actually observe na meron tayong mga ibang products dito. So, it is also a marketplace for your vanity. May mga pang chicha din, no? May mga Pringles, picnic, mga big rolls, mga hinahanap nyo mga PX. You can also find them here. So, yeah, visit this place. We're gonna be including the address and the contact number for you to call. Alright, kain pa tayo. Alright, so that was an experience. Grabe, sobrang dami ng kinain natin. Thank you so much, Black Crust Pizza Co. Lubao, Pampanga for inviting us. Napaka-generous nyo po. Ang dami nating na-experience for today's vlog. Ako sobrang nagustuhan ko guys yung carbonara nila, and yung sa pizza naman nila guys is yung ham and cheese. Ang kapal nung niya, I can explain, ang kapal nung parang pinaka-feeling natin or your toppings natin doon sa pizza. Sobrang sarap nun. Then for the drinks, I gotta say, you gotta try po yung kanilang Mango Graham Flow. So that's it. This is the place. Napakasimple lamang nito. So for those of you who are near this area, come and check out Black Crust Pizza Co. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.